Hello, I OP Srivastava is going to explain how you can find out net electrostatic force on a given charge due to four different charges placed at different places. Here I will use vector method. One question has already been shown along with solution on the screen, but I will provided a facility where you can set the position of pointed and their charges. So let us start from very beginning. Okay. So here I have mentioned create a question. I am creating a question by deciding the position of point A coordinate, X coordinate is 0, Y coordinate is 0. Charge placed on it is minus 3.5 microcoulomb. You want to change, you can change it. XB, X coordinate of point B is 10, Y coordinate of point B is 0, and charge placed on B is minus 5. So if you want to change in, let us take it as plus 4 microcoulomb. Point C is 10. I am reducing it. I am making it as, say, make it as 10. X is 10 and its Y coordinate is also 10. Alright. Charge on C is minus 6.5 microgram. Keep it there. And point D coordinate is X is 10, 10, Y is 10. So now let us make it as 12. Okay. Alright, here it is. So what question generated? The four charges QA minus 3 point microcoulomb placed at point A 0 0. Charge QB 4 microcoulomb placed at point B 10 comma 0. Charge QC minus 6.5 microcoulomb placed at point C 10 comma 10. Charge QD value 10.5 microcoulomb placed at point 0 comma 12, and charge QR is 12 microcoulomb. If you want change, you can change it as, say, let us take it as 8 microcoulomb placed at point R 5 comma 5. Here it is, where distance as in meter. Find the net electrostatic force on charge, net force in fact charge on net force on charge on QR. Okay. So how it has been solved, let us see it. So the solution, here it is. To get the net electrostatic force on QA using formula, force on A due to B is given as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QB into QA upon modulus of vector BA whole cube into vector BA. It indicates force on A due to B. Using the same formula, I have calculated the force on point R due to charge at B. Formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cube into q upon modulus of vector br whole cube into vector br. Now putting the value, I get 9 into 10 power 9, 4 microcoulomb into 8 microcoulomb. That gives you 4 into 8 into 10 power minus 12 upon vector br. It is minus 5 plus 5, that gives you its modulus values 7.0711 ka whole cube. And finally it gives 0.0041 I माइनस के साथ प्लस 0.0041 G. Now force on R due to charge placed at D. Same formula, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 upon QR upon modulus of vector dr whole cube into vector dr. So 9 to 10 power the 5 into 10.5 microcoulomb into 8 microcoulomb gives you 10.5 into 8 into 10 power the minus 12. And vector dr is 5 5 minus 0. You must be knowing vector, how you can get vector dr. The same formula, vector joining point x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given as x2 minus x1 I plus y2 minus y1. The same formula I have used here. So this gives you this result. Similarly, force on R due to charge at placed at C, that gives you 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught qc into q over modulus of vector cr whole cube into vector cr. That gives you minus 6.5 into 8 into 10 power the minus 12 upon modulus of vector cr is 7.0711 whole cube minus 5 minus 5, yeah, that gives this value. Similarly, you can get the value of force on R due to charge placed at A. This gives you the same, using the same formula I got this result. Okay. So in fact, the same thing can be used to find out the force on a given charge due to two charges also, due to one charge also, due to three charges also. The simple method is that if you want to find out the force on R due to two charges only, take those two charges accordingly and rest two charges put at zero, you will get the same thing. So this same process can be used for different cases also. So here the net force I calculated as Fr is equal to obviously Fbr plus Fdr plus Fcr plus Far give you minus plus 0.0049 I minus 0.0012 J. That is the resultant force on R, that is equal to 8 microcoulomb charge placed at A. And what direction it has worked, here it is clear. I have shown it here. You want to see it in, here I have made a magnifying factor which enlarge the force. It is FAR, it is FAR, but the force on R due to A. A is minus 3.5 microcoulomb and charge placed at R is 8 microcoulomb. So obviously point at A will attract charge QR. Similarly, force on R due to charge QB. QB is positive, R is positive, so it will repel it. So repulsion direction will come this side, right? And charge at C is minus, charge at point R is plus, so it will attract direction of this one, and this way it is. D is plus, charge at R is also plus, so it will repel, direction is this one. Okay. Oh, it is, in fact BR is this one. Force on R due to B is, that is BR. It is FDR. Okay. Charge B is plus, R is also plus, so it will repel it, and the direction is this one. Okay. Uh, Now resultant force is already given you minus 0, plus 0.0499 minus 0.1.2 J this way, and resulted I have given along with direction. Direction you can get elevation of the net force parallel to x-axis will give you tan theta is equal to y upon x. From there I have calculated theta and I have drawn this. Alright, this way you can get it. In fact, even then if you have problem, please mail me. My mail address is omrdesu@gmail.com. At the end of video I will give a link where you can interactively learn it. You can change different charges, different places, you can get the forces. But that is available on my, in fact, I have already developed a website known as Om Gurukul. In fact, site's full name is site.google.com/view/ Om Patsala. Sorry, Om Gurukul. I'm sorry. But everybody cannot visit that site. You have to be registered with me. If you want to interact such a problem and interactively you want to solve it, then you get registered with my website. You send your email address to me on my given mail address. I will register you, and then you can interact that. And You can use the same for to get forces one charge due to 2, due to 3, due to 4, due to 1 also. Okay, and enjoy it, learn more and more. Problem for problem, mail me and I will help you. It is all free. It is my social responsibility, so I'm doing this. Don't feel any hesitation, any problem. Send me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.